Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online class teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Today our topic, Maina ki Sair. Let us see the topic, children. निकली मैना सैर पर अपने पर फैलाए. Maina turned out on a walk by spreading its wings. Note down the keywords meaning, children. Sair means to walk. Par means wings. पीले पीले आम देखकर उसका मन ललचाए. Seeing yellow mangoes tempted his mind. पीले पीले, both the words same word meaning, children. Pila means yellow. Aam means mango. बैठी आम की डाल पर अपना पर फैलाए. By sitting on a mango tree by spreading its wings. Pair means wings. तैरती नैया में बैठना उसके मन को बाये. By sitting on a boat pleased his mind. Uska means here it represents Maina. Naya means boat. Now let us read the word meanings, children. Say along with me. Maina means Maina. Sair means to walk. Now say Naiya means boat. Maiya means mother. Very good, children. Now say Taila means bag. Pair means foot. अब बोलिए भैया means brother. Now let us read the 3-letter word meanings. Say along with me. Maidan means ground. Tairna means to swim. Very good, children. अब बोलिए सैनिक means soldier. Gailan means gallon. अब बोलिए gainda. You can write both the types, both are correct only. Any one type you can write. Gainda means rhinoceros. अब हम कुछ अभ्यास पत्र देखते हैं. See the first one. दिए गए शब्दों में एक ही मात्रा पर गोला लगाइए. The given words circle the a matra consonant. Let us see the first one, children. See the first line. Sair. In this, which is the I matra consonant? Yes, sair. Circle the letter. Next one. Pair. इसमें pay. Naiya. In this, nai. Baiya. इसमें bay. Very good, children. Now see the second line. मैना, इसमें मै. थैला, circle the थै. पैसा, इसमें पै. बैठ, इसमें भै. See the third line. मैदान, इसमें मै. पैगाम, भै. पैदल, भै. ठहरना, in this thai. Very good children. Now let us see the next exercise. अब देखिए, चित्र देखिए और ए की मात्रा लगाकर शब्द पूरा कीजिए. So have to write the a matra symbol in the word and complete. See the first word. पहला चित्र क्या है? Yes, थैला. Thala is there, where have to write the a matra in the first letter. Note down this, children. Thala. See the second one. Yes, bullock. What will you say bullock in Hindi? बैल. कहाँ लिखना है आय की मात्रा? पहला अक्षर ब. Now it will pronounce बैला, भैला. Third picture. Yes, boat. क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? नैया. तो कहाँ लिखना है आय की मात्रा? न अक्षर पर. नैया. अब देखिए उसी एक्सरसाइज की कंटिन्यूटी. फोर्थ पिक्चर, इसमें पहला वाला. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट पिक्चर इन दिस? यस, ठहरना. तो कहाँ लिखना है? ठहरना, ठहरना. नेक्स्ट वन, सोल्जर. क्या कहते हैं? सैनिक. आय की मात्रा सा अक्षर पर लिखना है तो उच्चारण में सैनिक, सैनिक. लास्ट वन, पैर. आय की मात्रा पा अक्षर पर लिखना है. Now it will pronounce पैर. Now see the next exercise. वर्ण जोड़कर शब्द बनाइए. Write the given letter and complete the word. Make a new words. अब देखिए, what is the letter is given here? My. So write the my letter in the first and complete the word. Maidan, Maidan. Maidan means you can see the picture and say the name. Yes, ground. Now second one. Maina. Maina. Maina means it's a bird. Maina. अगर हम लोगों को वर्ण जोड़कर लिखने के लिए पहला प्लेस में अक्षर दिया जाता है तो उसको पहला जोड़नी चाहिए. Now see the third one. Have to write the letter in the first. Maida. Maida. Maida means floor. Ground floor. अब देखिए, see the next one. उसकी कंटिन्यूटी. इसमें गाय अक्षर दिया गया है, वो भी पहले. सो हम पहले गाय अक्षर लिखेंगे तो हमारे लिए न्यू वर्ड मिलेगी. देखते हैं पहला वर्ड क्या है? गाय. स. gas यानी कि gas. Now see the second one. Where have to write the letter? Yes, first. Gai, la, na. Gallon. Gallon means gallon. We can see this by getting water cans. Correct? See the next one. Gai, in, da. Ganda. So मैंने 2 टाइप्स वर्ड्स दिया है इसको लिखने के लिए. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. You can write the word like this also. But make the word, if it is given means we have to write this only. By your reference only, here I am giving Ganda means rhinoceros. Very good children. Now let us see the next exercise. समान लय वाले शब्द बनाइए. Have to write the rhyming words. So one is given to you. Gaiya. Whatever rhyming words when we are writing, that should be meaningful. See, Gaiya can write Maiya, mother, Naiya, boat, Bhaiya, brother. Now see the next one. Paisa. Can write कैसा, वैसा, and तैसा. Now see the next one. ए की मात्रा वाले 4 शब्द लिखिए. Any 4 a matra words have to write. One is given to you, pair. Another one, pair, sair, tair, bear. Very good children. I hope you practiced it thoroughly. Dhanyavad bachcho. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.